Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, we will explain about second language acquisition acquiring knowledge for L2 use. But first of all, we will introduce ourselves. Hello, my name is Tednya Tami. My name is Ruth Arianti. And we are going to explain first. But first of all, before we discuss about what is the acquiring knowledge for LS2, we need to know what is the background first, right? So let's go to the next slide.
Okay guys, let's go to the slide 2. It's about background. Before we start this course, what is the L2 use, acquiring knowledge for L2 use in second language acquisition, we need to know what is the background of this material first, right? The first is the background. Acquiring knowledge for L2 use refers to the process of acquiring knowledge and skill to use a second language or L2 effectively. Okay guys, for the next slide is about knowledge acquisition for L2Us. Point A is about competence and usage. The first is inclusive definition to communicative competence, and then the second one is incorporates taste, language knowledge, knowledge of language competence and levels, cultural knowledge, and the third one is pragmatics competence as part appropriate language use. And okay guys, for the last slide, that what I want to explain for you is about academic versus interpersonal competence. The first is this means like prioritization for L2 use based on purposes. The first one is academics competence is focused on reading and listening. And then the second was in interpersonal competence is a focus on listening and speaking. And the third one or the last one is the classification of activities by mode and receptive or productive. So this is the last slide. That's what I want to explain. The next slide will be explaining by my friends Wiwit and Rianti.
Okay, next I will explain about social context of second language acquisition. Social context plays a significant role in second language acquisition, affecting the process of learning a second language through various social factors such as age, gender, social class, and ethnic identity. Macrosocial factor. Macrosocial factor refers to the feature of setting of situation and interaction that lead to communicative event within which language is being produced, interpreted, and negotiated. Okay, next, microsocial factor. Microsocial factor, on the other hand, refers to the larger political setting within which language learning and use the pledge, including the social position and role of users, societal attitudes toward specific language and multilingualism in general, and institutional organization.